Hello comrades, you're watching RedIvan Military, and today we'll talk about uniforms and equipment issued to the Ukrainian armed forces during the OP Interflex exercises in the United Kingdom. I would like to express my gratitude to my childhood friend Vladik, who provided the uniforms, and to Vadim, an attendee of these exercises, who helped with consultation, as well as to Kruschiki shop for their help in gathering the information and provided photos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comment below, and also to check Kruschiki shop. On July 9, 2022, Britain launched a program to train Ukrainian soldiers. For the attendees of those courses, Britain decided to provide uniforms and equipment in MM14 camouflage pattern, but in the original British cut. Well, not exactly produce, they ordered it from China. I must admit, the gear set was quite extensive. The following gear was issued. Load-bearing system in MM14 camouflage with a tag reading PLCE, but it is not a direct copy of the British PLCE. The set consists of 2 double magazine pouches for AK magazines, a pouch for a smoke grenade, 2 pouches for fragmentation grenades, a utility pouch, canteen pouch, entrenching tool pouch, and a dump pouch. There was also a version of the load-bearing system in olive color, but users say the cordura there is worse. It is less dense, so it doesn't hold shape. The NP Aerospace body armor vest was issued in several different color schemes, including olive, coyote, woodland, and MM14 camouflage. The helmets issued were German, Schuberth Model 826 with MTP camouflage cover. There were also several types of backpacks issued. A small backpack in MM14 camouflage, which is heavy even when empty, because it has a backplate for anti-fragmentation protection. There were also a few variants of the Bergen backpack in MM14 camouflage or plain olive. The Bergen is of good quality and mostly retains the functionality of the original British Bergen. Except removable side pouches, these are not detachable, and some other minor features. It's a decent item and can be recommended. Also, a first aid kit in multicam pouch with tourniquets and all necessary items was issued. All of this was packed into a large black duffel bag. Clothing was issued in various sets. There was thermal underwear, an olive cold weather jacket, boots, sneakers, and even the famous British smoke in MM14 camouflage. But I don't have all of that. So today we will take a detailed look at the summer field set. Cap. A classic British style cap, which you don't see often because the Brits themselves rarely wear them. They mostly prefer berets and helmets when required. But this is how the British cap looks in MTP or DPM. The quality leaves much to desire. The brim is not even sewn, and you can move it around inside. The size is smaller than stated. There are eyelets on the right and left sides, like on American boots. The cap hides ear flaps inside. The cap, as well as the other items, is made in China. Fabric is 65% polyester and 35% cotton. Mine was produced in November 2022. Jacket. A mandarin collar with velcro strap, a strap for placing rank insignia on the chest with a free end tucked under the flap with velcro. 2 large chest pockets with horizontal asses secured with velcro. Unlike the standard uniform of the Ukrainian armed forces, asses is only from one side. A left pocket has a small inner pocket and a webbing strap divided in sections, while the right pocket has a 3-section compartment for pens or pencils. 2 slanted sleeve pockets with high foldable neck, secured with a Velcro flap. They feature Velcro platforms for patches with protective detachable covers. No elbow reinforcements, no ventilation in the armpit area. Cuffs are closed with Canadian buttons. The jacket fastens with a zipper and Velcro. No internal pockets. Trousers fly with a zipper and a Canadian button. 2 front inset pockets. Inside the left pocket there is a hidden compartment closed with a zipper. You can tell that this is the motherland of the James Bond. Wide loops for the trousers belt, elastic waistband adjusters fastened with buttons, only one back pocket on the right side, closed with a Canadian button. Reinforced seat, slanted cargo pockets with fold-over neck, secured with a single Canadian button. No reinforcements on the knees, drawstrings at the bottom of the legs. What can I say? The fabric is dense and slippery, like synthetic material, which makes it unpleasant to wear. Despite the different declared fabric composition, I would compare it to the early MM14 from the 2014 production. But it is in no way comparable to the soft and comfortable fabric of DPM or MTP. Of course, you don't look a gift horse in the mouth, but the quality of the uniforms and equipment leaves much to be desired. I've already received a video showing worn-out cummerbund of the body armor vest. The load-bearing system in MM14 pattern is somewhat decent in quality, but its pouches are more primitive compared to what is currently being made in Ukraine. Some people also complained about the bulky Bulgarian milled AK rifles issued. Well, they won't take them home anyway. Actually, I got an impression that at some point Britain lost track and did not realize that the equipment that is currently produced in Ukraine and Russia is far superior compared to British or other European countries. If you have used elements from Interflex yourself, feel free to leave your opinion in the comments. For the rest of you, please put like, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment as well, share this video with your friends. If you want to help channel financially, links are in the description, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.